Hi, I'm hoping everybody by now has had a chance to connect with their group partners for the 3.2 collaborative presentation. In the Wiki project this week, I've created a group Wiki project, so everybody will be posting their work in this location. Down here, I have the instructions for what you need to do, and over on the far right-hand side, I have a list of all the members of each one of your groups. So hopefully each one of you has gone ahead and made contact with your group to decide what Web 2.0 tool you want to embed in here. Now, I know that some people are having trouble embedding their Google presentation, so I'm going to go ahead and take you through a quick screen share showing you how to do that. So I've created a project, and this one here I'm going to go ahead and keep posted on there that kind of goes through what this project is all about. And I have even created a sample for you to be able to view where your project, when you're talking about a Web 2.0 tool, you're going to need to take at least 2 to 3 slides to be able to give us all the information. So like here you can see on this one, I've done one on VoiceThread. I've given you some information and linked to VoiceThread. On the next slide, I talk about how it supports student learning. And then on the last slide, I take a look at a student sample that I created, and I talk about what anchor standards this particular project might be addressing. You can click and go to my project, which is something that you each need to do. That's a very key, important element for you. So to go ahead and embed this, now that I have my presentation created, and you can do this at the very start of your presentation, the first thing I need to do is I need to go and do the sharing permissions. Hopefully here you've added everybody's name so that they are all editors in this particular project. But what you're also going to want to do is you're going to want to take a look at the private setting right here and change that one so that anybody with the link, meaning other class members, can view it, and change this to can comment so that other class members can comment on your project as well. Even though you're only required to comment on your own group, I want to make sure that other people from outside your group can comment also. And you'll go ahead and click Save there. Now to embed my project, I go to File, Publish to the Web, and start publishing. Yes, I want to publish this. When it's finished publishing to the web, you receive a link to the document that you can share with everybody, as well as an embed code. And so if I just click here once within the embed code, it will capture everything. I can actually scroll that down and see what the entire embed code looks like. Before you capture that embed code, check the size. It defaults to medium, and I think that's probably a good size for our embed for what we're doing. So I would probably keep it at the medium size. But for future reference, when you go to embed into your portfolio, you'll know that you can actually choose a different size. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it there. I'm going to copy, and I have to use my key commands here. So I'm going to use Command C because I'm on a Mac. If you're on a PC, you're going to use Control C to copy the embed code. So I have the embed code copied. And I'm going to go ahead and keep this open for right now. And I'm going to switch over to our Wiki project. So on the Wiki project, you're going to go for your group, Add Content. I'm going to embed the web. And then in this green spot here, I'm going to paste Command V or Control V, that embed code. I'm going to say Next. I need to give this block a title. And if I look right down here under View Code, I will see that my code is all there. So that's good to know. I'm going to hit Save. And now my project has been embedded here, and everybody can take a look at this. However, I said that I want you to link also to the project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to edit this block. Here is what I do here. Well, I'm going to have two screens open. While I have this screen open, I'm going to flip back over to the embed code and the document link, and this time I'm going to click into the document link, make sure I've highlighted the whole thing. Using my key commands again, I'm going to Command C or Control C, and I can go ahead and close this now. I'm going to flip back to the Wiki project, and I'm going to highlight Sample Presentation, click the little chain link there, make sure this is on website, and I'm going to Command V to paste that link. Hit OK, hit Save, and here's my presentation, and here's a link that will take me to the presentation full screen. If I am viewing this presentation and it's a group's presentation, I can click into Open Editor, and from there, because you've shared it with me, I can actually make comments. And to make comments, since some of you may not know how to do that, let me go back to this one. If I wanted to make a comment, I'm going to click on this. This happens to be a text block, so I can click on that, click comment, say comment, and I can type a comment. And there's my comment. And anybody else can click other places and create comments also, and it automatically saves. You, as the owner of this presentation, can go in at any time from your Google Drive and edit your presentation. And as you make edits based on maybe people's comments or something that you see, we here in Haiku will see your changes as you make those changes. Okay, so I hope that helps you out. And here's the first group who posted theirs. Now you know how to go in and make that an embed. You can go ahead and delete your block that you have there and create a new block. Good luck. You should have your slides done by no later than Saturday evening. I know I said that they were due on Thursday night, but I know that'll be difficult for many of you. This way you'll have Sunday through Tuesday to make comments on the slides of the people in your group. And actually in this presentation, let me go to the presentation itself. In this presentation, I actually have some questions that help to forward the conversation for your comments on slides. Okay? Have fun.